Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally.
In this video, we are going to talk about emotions. This word means to say how you are feeling. We are all feeling something most of the time. It is important to be able to have the right words to express those emotions about how you feel. It is also important to understand what someone means when they tell you how they feel, and to be able to use the right word when you see someone expressing how they feel. Now let's learn about different kinds of emotions and feelings. Happy. This person is feeling happy. Happy. Sad. This person is feeling sad. Sad. Angry. This person is feeling angry. Angry. Surprised. This person is feeling surprised. Surprised. Grief. This person is feeling grief. Grief. Confused. This person is feeling confused. Confused. Sleepy. This person is feeling sleepy. Sleepy. Calm. This person is feeling calm. Calm. Upset. This person is feeling upset. Upset. Amused. This person is feeling amused. Amused. Nervous. This person is feeling nervous. Nervous. Bored. This person is feeling bored. Bored. Scared. This person is feeling scared. Scared. Lonely. This person is feeling lonely. Lonely. Guilty. This person is feeling guilty. Guilty. Depressed. This person is feeling depressed. Depressed. Elated. This person is feeling elated. Elated. In awe. This person is in awe. In awe. In love. This person is in love. In love. Sick. This person is feeling sick. Sick. Anxious. This person is feeling anxious. Anxious. Excited. This person is feeling excited. Excited. Jealous. This person is feeling jealous. Jealous. Disgusted. This person is feeling disgusted. Disgusted. Stressed. This person is feeling stressed. Stressed. Curious. This person is feeling curious. Curious. Worried. This person is feeling worried. Worried. Embarrassed. This person is feeling embarrassed. Embarrassed. Now, to reinforce these words, I'm going to show you the picture. See if you can remember what emotion it is showing. Say it out loud if you remember. It's good to practice saying the words to get the pronunciation right. This person is feeling happy. This person is feeling sad. This person is feeling angry. This person is feeling surprised. This person is feeling grief. This person is feeling confused. This person is feeling sleepy. This person is feeling calm. This person is feeling upset. This person is feeling amused. This person is feeling nervous. This person is feeling bored. This person is feeling scared. This person is feeling lonely. This person is feeling guilty. This person is feeling depressed. This person is feeling elated. This person is feeling in awe. This person is feeling in love. This person is feeling sick. This person is feeling anxious. This person is feeling excited. This person is feeling jealous. This person is feeling disgusted. This person is feeling stressed. This person is feeling curious. This person is feeling worried. This person is feeling embarrassed. I hope this video has been helpful in giving you the vocabulary to express how you are feeling. To learn the words better, you can practice these words at home and with your friends. Try to say the word when you see someone expressing an emotion. And you can also watch this video again to learn them even better. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.